Okay guys, the movers are about to be here. So I just want to show you a before. We are cooking in the kitchen for the first time ever. We're also the first people to live in this unit, so everything's brand new. Here is my breakfast. 3 whole eggs, chicken sausage, 2 packets of oatmeal and blueberries. I don't really have anywhere to eat this or anything to eat it with. So I'm waiting for this spatula because I'm gonna use that to put it in my mouth.
We're out here. You're off to the gym?
Yes.
We walk places now.
Good morning, guys. I am in Park Slope, Brooklyn right now. If you didn't know, we moved from Boulder to Brooklyn, New York. And now I walk to the gym every day, which is a perfect vlogging opportunity. I'm loving the new gym. It was definitely nerve-wracking at first to thrust there for the first time and like really get comfortable, but now I freaking love it. Today I'm training biceps, back, and triceps. Got my gym gi on, got my pre-workout, ready to slay the day. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we have our grid post. We have our story post.
Yep.
I just finished up the writing for the email. I'm in the middle of the website description. Now we need to work on our banner and product photos.
And it's, you know, for the community. It's for the, it's for people who just want to rep our brand, and therefore we should make it a big deal as a community branding thing. So.
Just finished our meeting, and now I'm gonna take Lula babies on a walk. You wanna go on a walk with me? Oh, this is strange. Hi, beautiful. Guys, I got this fake Christmas tree. It's my first ever fake Christmas tree. And when I first opened it, it was like so sparse looking and I was so confused. So I asked you guys on Instagram what to do. And I've never had more DMs in my life about one thing. I had thousands of you telling me to fluff it up. So I fluffed it up a little bit. I still have some more fluffing to do. And then I need some lights. So I'll keep you updated on this guy. Guys, I'm so hype. I got a robe and a top from the Skims fuzzy collection. It looks so comfy. I'm gonna wear this tonight and just live my life. My first load. What do we think? No one cares except me. I'm hype. Greg is putting together my office for me. He's the best. I'm wearing PJs, and then I think we're gonna make some, well, I'm gonna have poke for dinner, and Greg's gonna have, what are you having? Scallops? Steak. We have a trash can. Oh, she is fancy, she is sleek. Okay, so now I've broken down all these boxes. I have to carry them all the way down to the ground floor. When you're moving, it's crazy. We've been up and down these stairs thousands of times. Feels like thousands of times. I'm up and down these stairs again tonight. Woo! We are in the kitchen and I'm gonna make some poke. I haven't had poke in so long. I'm craving it, and I'm gonna make it nice and healthy and show you guys kind of like some of the steps of the process. We're using salmon. Greg got it fresh today from the seafood guy. Avocado, coconut aminos, sesame oil, onion if we have it, nice warm rice, the usual. Here is my amazing piece of salmon that Greg picked up for me, and now he's gonna skin it.
And my big knife.
Yum, 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 yum. So far I just have lemon and garlic in here, but now I'm gonna add coconut aminos or liquid aminos, and then I have sesame oil. Just use a tiny bit of this because it can be very overpowering. Then we're gonna add our avocado and our rice. I'm just missing onion. Meh. Guys, our finished result is looking so good. Salmon, half an avocado, the sauce, the rice. Yum. Greg, what have you got?
Oh my god, a salad. So embarrassing.
Greg's on a diet, if you couldn't tell. I'm like over here living my best life. All right, we're gonna go eat. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I have a pretty fun day today, which is why I have makeup on. I feel weird. I never wear makeup. Funny story, so I really need to get my hair done. As you can see, it's like very dark up top. I've had it lightened like twice, I think, last year and then at the beginning of this summer, but I really love how it looks, like a little bit blonder. So I was on Instagram trying to find a good hair colorist in the New York area, and I stumbled upon someone called Jean-Pierre Sosa. I want to say, I don't know how to pronounce it. I saw that he does really great hair, a lot of blonde people. I saw a lot of great inspiration from his page. I noticed that he does a few influences that I recognize from YouTube and things like that, a lot of LA based influences, but I didn't think too much of it. I thought, this guy might be a little bit too bougie for me. I just wanted, like, you know, a little lightening done. But then I was on my Instagram and he said he had an opening in New York City for today. This was like a month ago, and I was like, should I just do it? So today I have an appointment with Jean-Pierre Sosa, and I looked at his Instagram page again yesterday just to kind of like prep myself and be like, okay, like maybe get some inspiration together. That's when I noticed that he does Kylie Jenner's best friend's hair, and he does a lot of really famous people's hair. I'm very intimidated. I'm very nervous. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost. That's the other thing. Now I'm thinking it's gonna be like really expensive, and I've kind of just gotten myself into this situation where I'm going to the bougiest hairstylist that you can possibly find. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Right now, I'm trying not to panic. I did want to just show you guys the before of my hair. Okay fam, here's my breakfast. You guys pretty much, I think, know my breakfast by now, but I have 3 whole eggs, 1 chicken sausage from Belinsky's, 2 packets of oats, a bunch of berries, black iced tea. Every morning I take 2 hair, skin, and nails capsules from Bloom. These help my nails get like literally insanely long, and my hair. And then normally I take my greens, but I'm literally out of greens right now, just like everyone else, so I have to wait too. Okay guys, I'm headed to my appointment now. It is in Soho, so I'm gonna take the subway up there. I took the subway for the first time yesterday and it went really well. So here is my hair currently, and then I'll show you guys when I get back. I'm so nervous. So guys, I'm back. I got my hair done. It's now nighttime. It's like 9 p.m., 8 p.m. So I don't have great lighting, but I'll make sure I show you guys tomorrow in the natural light. And I actually had an amazing time. I made a lot of friends and just like had so much fun, and I was really comfortable. So I'll tell you guys about that tomorrow too. I'm gonna have some dinner now and get some sleep. Love you guys so much. Love my hair. Woo! Hi guys, welcome to the end of the video slash my office, which is looking a lot better now. I wanted to tell you guys a quick story about that hair appointment. You guys know that I was genuinely really nervous for that appointment. I don't know why. I think I was just really intimidated, and I felt like that was a world that I wasn't supposed to be a part of. I don't know what it was. I went there really nervous, but as soon as I sat down in the chair, everyone was being super nice. I felt really welcome. I'm like 2 hours into the appointment, still a little bit nervous. And then one of the girls that was helping the main hair colorist, her name was Haley, she leans in and she goes, "By the way, I'm a Mari girl and I've lost 46 pounds in your guides. I have your bands, your supplements, everything." And I was like, what? Why didn't you tell me? Oh my gosh, I was freaking out. And she was like, "I didn't want to fangirl over you and make you uncomfortable." And I was like, the truth is I was really nervous to come here. What a full circle moment that I get to meet you right now. And it ended up just being a really special day for me and for her. We ended up being friends. She's moving to New York. We're gonna get dinner. And yeah, it was just really special and kind of showed me that, I don't know, our community is so widespread and people come from all walks of life. I really hope you guys enjoyed this first Brooklyn video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.